guys, welcome back to another video. First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much for those of you who are returning. Thank you so much for those of you who are newly discovering my channel. I hope that you enjoy this video enough to like, comment, and hopefully subscribe, because there will be more to come. And yeah, thank you so much again, guys. So I want to put out there that this is not a tutorial. This is just me attempting to braid, because I can't braid, y'all. And also, this is just a way of letting aspiring naturals or other naturals who are like me and can't braid to save their lives. Being natural doesn't mean you have to be the best at styling and all of this. It's just taking care of your hair and its health. The hair health part I got down when it comes to the braids and the styling. I don't get that part down, and I told myself I was gonna practice, be a little more experimental with my hair. So this is what this is. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much again, guys. Please comment, please like, and please subscribe. Bye. So obviously, as you guys can see, I am jamming to music, because there was no way I would have gotten this done without music. I had to braid and rebraid and braid and rebraid like 6 times to a few of the braids. Like, when I say I can't braid, I'm not exaggerating. I genuinely do not know how to braid. My mom braided my hair my whole life, and then I just always be having my hair in a bun. So yeah, I just told myself I want to be more experimental with my hair. I have all this hair and I never really do much with it, so I figured I want to do more. Yeah, I don't know if you guys were able to catch a few times when I just was just done. I was just frustrated and just ready to quit, but I didn't, and I'm so proud of myself. And even though the hair doesn't look that cute, I'm proud of myself. And the next time I do it, I know it's going to be better. It's all about try again, and eventually you will get it.
This video is not a tutorial. I cannot braid to save my life. I'm trying. I wanted to try something and show you guys like my attempts. I'm making these videos because being a natural doesn't mean you have to be the best at doing hair. Doesn't mean you have to know every in and out of hair. No, it just means know your hair, work with your hair, figure your hair out. I've been natural since 2014, 5 years now, so I'm still trying to figure my hair out. I still don't know how to braid. Being natural does not mean you have to know what the heck you're doing. Just try. So this is me trying and showing you guys. Even though it's kind of an epic fail, I don't mind. I'm going to classes. I'm not trying to impress anybody. I'm just trying to keep my hair protected, because where I live, it's cold. I live in the freaking Midwest.